Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on data interpretation in which situation reaction test will be covered. ये डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन रीजनिंग का पार्ट है। रीजनिंग के पार्ट को लेकर के यहाँ पर हम डिस्कशन करेंगे सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट में। प्रीवियस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स में हमने सिलोजिज्म की बात की थी। आज हम सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट पर बात करेंगे। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन। Question number 1. You are playing football in a park. When you kick the ball, it strikes and breaks the window pane of a nearby house. You would ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन हमें लगता है समझ में आ गया होगा। भाई आप फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं और किसी के घर की खिड़की टूट गई, उससे आप क्या करेंगे? 1. डिमांड योर बॉल बैक फ्रॉम द हाउस ओनर. B. Say that it has no fault of yours. C. Stealthily get your ball back. D. Apologize to the house owner and contribute to replace the glass. The correct option is D. Apologize to the house owner and contribute to replace the glass. 2. If in the examination hall you find that the question paper is too tough to be answered satisfactorily by you, the best thing to do for you is to A. Tell the examiner that the questions are out of course. B. Provoke the candidates to walk out of the examination hall. C. Try to know something from your neighbor. D. Try to solve the questions as much as you know with a cool head. The correct option is D. You are returning home from school. On the way, you find a sealed envelope in a street, fully addressed with unused stamps on it. You would A. Leave it there at it was and walk away. B. Remove the stamps and destroy the envelope. C. Open the envelope, find out who has dropped it by mistake and send it to him if possible. D. Post it at the nearest letter box. The correct option is D. Post it at the nearest letter box. 4. You are interviewed for a new job. Which of the following is most important to you? A. Opportunities for promotion. B. Remuneration you will be paid. C. Scope to develop your ideas and use them to improve the working of the organization. D. All the above are equally important. The correct option is D. All the above are equally important. 5. You find that the person whom you call your friend has been cheating you. What would you do? A. Break relations with him. B. Give him tit for tat. C. Make him realize his mistake. Or D. Tell other friends about him. The correct option is C. Make him realize his mistake. 6. An angry customer wants to meet the senior manager for grievance reporting. What will you do? A. Talk to him yourself. B. Be patient and try to cool him down. C. Try to remove his inconveniences by consulting seniors. Or D. Tell him it is not easy to meet the senior manager. The correct option is B. Be patient and try to cool him down. 7. You are a sincere and dedicated manager in a reputed 5-star hotel. You have been appointed as the chief manager of the Guwahati branch, which needs to be developed. Your salary has been hiked. A. You give it a shot for 2 months and see how it goes. B. You accept the challenge and go ahead with the project. C. You accept another offer and leave the job. D. You crib for limited resources and try to convince the superior to send somebody else instead of. So the correct option is B. You accept the challenge and go ahead with the project. Now, Question number 8. You are walking down the street and suddenly you see 200 rupee notes on the pavement. What action do you take? A. Pocket it yourself. B. Leave it where it is. C. Give the money to a beggar. D. Deposit it in the nearest police station. The correct option is D. Deposit it in nearest police station. 9. You have paid some silly mistakes which had been pointed out to you. You will A. Laugh it away. B. Get angry. C. Feel miserable. D. Feel thankful. The correct option is D. Feel thankful. 10. You are moving across the road on a scooter when you observe that two boys on a bike snatch a lady's gold chain and ride away. You would A. Console the woman. B. Chase those riders. C. Inform the police about the matter and boys to catch him. Hold off them. Stand and see what happens next. The correct option is B first. Chase if you can. 11. On reaching the railway station, you find that the train you wanted to catch is just to start and there is hardly any time for purchasing the ticket. The best thing for you is to A. Rush to the train rather than miss it and inform the TTI at the next stoppage about your inability to purchase the ticket. This is the correct option. 12. You are returning home from school. On the way, you find a sealed envelope in a street fully addressed with unused stamps on it. You would, the correct option is D. This is a repeated question. Post it at the nearest letter box. 13. If in the examination hall you find the question paper is too tough to be answered satisfactorily by you, the best thing to do for you is, correct option is D. Try to solve the questions as much as you know with a cool head. Again, it is a repeated question. 14. Your bathroom tap is leaking and is a constant source of irritating noise. What would you do? You would A. Sleep with pillows upon your ears. B. Put a bucket underneath. C. Try to put up a cork upon the mouth of the tap. Or D. Call a plumber to repair the tap. Correct option is D. Call a plumber to repair the tap. 15. You find a lady's purse dropped on the road and on pocketing it up, find 1,000 rupees inside. You would A. Take the purse away. B. Take out the money and leave the purse there. C. Deposit it at the nearest police station. Or D. Stand there and wait for the owner. The correct option is D. For some time. Question number 16. While sitting in a park, you observe that a smart young man comes to the place on a scooter, leaves it there and goes away with someone else on a motorbike. You would A. Chase the person. B. Inform the police at the nearby booth. C. Call back the person. D. Remain engaged in your enjoyment. The correct option is B. Inform the police at the nearby booth. 17. You are playing football in a park. When you pick the ball, it strikes and breaks the window panes of a nearby. You would, correct option is D. Apologize to the house owner and contribute to replace the glass. 18. You are in a bus. The bus reaches your stop, but still you have not purchased the ticket because of heavy rush. What will you do? Here, correct option is B. Call the conductor, give him the money, and get the ticket. Simple. 19. While you board a train at the station, you find a suitcase beneath your seat. You would, correct option is A. Report the matter to the police. 20. While firing crackers, a child gets severe, severe burns on the hand. What would you do? The correct option is A. Dip the child's hands in a cold water till there is no more burning sensation. 21. You find the person whom you call your friend has been cheating you. What would you do? The correct option is C. Make him realize his mistake. 22. While attending your friend's party, you see your friend's muffler catching fire from the candle on the table behind him. You would, correct option is C, rush and taking out the muffler from his neck, drop it and pour water on it. 23. Your friend has not invited you to his marriage party. You will, correct option C, send him your best wishes. 25. While traveling in a train, you observe some college students pulling the alarm chain supply to get down and simply to get down at their desired point. You would, correct option is A, with the help of some passengers, check them from doing so. 25. You are driving your car on the road when you hit against a fruit vendor's cart. You would, correct option is C, pay the fruit vendor for the damage done to him. Now, 26. You are the guest at a dinner. The host asks you to take one more chapati after your stomach is full. You would, correct option C, politely say that the food was too good and you have already eaten much. 27. You are passing by a river and you know swimming. Suddenly you hear the cry of the drowning child. You would, correct option is A, dive into the river to save him. 28. You are playing in your friend's house when he gets stuck up with naked electric wire. You would, correct option C, pull off the wire with a wooden stick. 29. You are interviewed for a new job. Which of the following questions is most important to you? Mentioned here above, all the questions are important, all the points are important, so correct option is D. This is also the repeated question. 30. You are alone in the house and there is quite a danger of thieves around. Just then you hear a knock at the door. You would, correct option is B, first peep out from the window to confirm whether you know the person. So this was all about. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube our classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.